Love tonight. Pa. I missed the trick. Don't got this. I got it. Man, this is not an easy dance. I'm gonna have to turn this into a whole setup for the little music video I'm doing today. Here's the beginning and... Alright, I have my setup. I'm going to go into the studio and we're going to be filming the makeup transitions. Okay, that took forever, but I managed to just cover up most of this lighting coming through my blinds because I'm not going to wait till nighttime to film. There is still a little bit of daylight coming through the edges, but I don't think the camera's really going to pick that up. I'm really short. Man, that was hard. I gotta just tape the edges, but it's coming out. I do like this all red lighting or this one. So I'm not really sure which one I want to go with just yet. Now I'm gonna be doing 3 makeup looks to go with the 3 outfits that I picked out. And then here are my 2 little shot lists. It's gonna be 2 frames, just the couch with the red lighting and my beauty shot, which will be filmed right here. And I have all of these takes to do. So for each look, I'm going to do the beauty shot and I'm also going to do the couch shot. So there's going to be 6 different shots in total. There is a little bonus shot. I don't think I'm going to do it. If I have time, I will do it, but I'm going to probably run out of steam by the time I get to the 3rd look. I'm going to start with white. It's less likely to stain me, and then I'm going to do the black look, and then the final one is probably going to take me the longest, which is going to be the red look. I'm probably going to keep this hair up, then down, then probably up again. Just a little bit of difference between them. Let's go! It's going to be a long day. I'm going to do this all within 24 hours. So I was trying on my costume for the first look, and I realized that I didn't bring any white bottoms, and I don't have time to go home, so I found some white cloth, and I'm just gonna wrap it around myself for the full body shot and hope that it doesn't look like I just draped cloth on me. Okay, I'm done with my makeup, the first look. I have to try to do this part without touching my makeup. Oh god. Oh no. Oh, this is a bad idea. I should have worn this. Oh man, how am I gonna do this? I don't think I can wear this top. I think I can just get away with not wearing the other top. I still have this. White gloves. Done with the first look. I am so sweaty and I need to take this off. Time for look number 2. Okay. Fit number 2. Alright, this is the last look. Basically just wearing tights and a bodysuit and a jacket. I'm so tired. And that's a wrap. I started the day at 12:30 p.m. and now it is 9:44 p.m. So I would say that is a very productive day of shooting. Yeah. She said,